Hello viewer, in this video I am telling about the review of the Samsung Galaxy Watch FE. The display type of this watch is Super AMOLED. The display size of this watch 1.2 inch. The resolution of the display 396 into 396 pixel. The PPI density of the display of this watch is 330 PPI density. The protection of the display of this watch is spare crystal glasses, always on display. Now I am telling about the operating system of this watch, Android Wear OS 401 UI5 watch. Chipset Exynos W925nm. CPU dual core 1.18 GHz Cortex A55. GPU Mali G68. The memory of this watch card slot is not available. Internal memory are available 16 GB and 1.5 GB RAM. The camera is not available after this watch. Now I am telling about the sound after this watch. Low speaker is available, but the 3.5 mm jack is not available after this watch. The Wi-Fi 802.11 dual band. Bluetooth 5.08 to DPLE. FM radio is not available, and the USB charging port is also not available after this watch. The battery of this watch battery type 247 mAh non-removable. The charging wire QI. There are AD color are available after this watch. The model of this watch SMR861. There are a different price are available after this watch. The network technology are available after this watch GSM, HSPA and LTE. The launch date was announced after this watch 13 June 2024. Thanks for watching a video. Don't forget subscribe the channel.